Right, so now we're going to start visualizing what these function machines are doing and how we can track these numbers visually. Okay, so I'm going to pick a function. I'm going to write it mathematically. So I'm going to say, right, my output y is equal to, let's stick with 2x. Okay, so that's exactly the same as the very first example I gave in the function machine. Okay, remember, x is our input, y is our output. So we're going to create a table. We're going to create a series of values. Okay. We're going to choose our x value. So let's say x is 0. When x is 0, we then times it by 2. 2 times 0 is 0. We have an input of 0. We have an output of 0. Okay, let's pick another number. 1. Okay. 1 is our input. 1 times 2 is 2. So our output is 2. Input of 2, output 4. Input of 3, output of 6. Input of 4, output of 8. How am I getting my x values? I'm just making them up. That's all I'm doing. Okay? But you'll notice that now we have an x and a y, and if we change the notation and write it like this, we have an input with an output, and we can represent this as a graph. So let's just have a look at the first quadrant, because that's what we've got. Let me sketch it here. If you've got a ruler, that would be great. I can't use it. That's not too bad. Okay, so x is across, y goes up. So we've got 0. We've got the origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So an input of 0 and output of 0. 0, 0. 0, 0 is our first point on the grid, and it's there. Input of 1, output of 2. Input of 1, output of 2. Our second point goes on the grid. Input of 2, output of 4. Input of 3, output of 6. Input of 4, output of 8. So this is a series of dots that represents y equals 2x.